Supreme Court has issued notice to the centre and others on pleas challenging constitutional validity of National Judicial Appointments Commission Act. Justice J.S. Kehar will not recuse as the head of the Constitution Bench examining the validity of the new law. The Apex Court has asked the Attorney General to take necessary instructions as interim order has to be passed as tenure of some High Court judges is ending during pendency of the case. The court will commence hearing to examine validity of the law from Monday. Supreme Court has asked the centre to file its response as to whether it had approved the Army's command exit promotion policy, which has been quashed by the Armed Forces Tribunal, meant for officers of the rank of colonel and above from January 2009. The Apex Court asked the Defence Secretary to file an affidavit within a week stating whether the government had accepted the recommendations of the A.V. Singh Committee with regard to the command exit promotion policy. Supreme Court has reserved its judgment on whether the Special Public Prosecutor G. Bhavani Singh, appointed by the Tamil Nadu government in the former Chief Minister Jayalalitha's appeal against her conviction, would continue or be removed from disproportionate assets case. After hearing extensive arguments, a 3-judge bench reserved its order. The Apex Court had earlier extended the bail plea of the AIADMK chief till 12th May in the disproportionate assets case. Delhi High Court has sought response from the centre on a PIL questioning the appointment of senior officers of the rank of Joint Secretary and above in the Rajya Sabha Secretariat. A bench of Chief Justice G. Rohini directed the Secretariat to file a response within 8 weeks. Early this month, the Supreme Court had asked the petitioner to approach the High Court first in the matter. Days after a court refused to hear his plea, TERI Director General R.K. Pachauri, who is facing sexual harassment allegations from a woman employee, moved Delhi High Court seeking permission to travel abroad for next week's Global Water Summit in Greece. The court sought responses from the complainant and the investigating officer of the case. Recent attacks on religious places witnessed a verbal clash in the Lok Sabha, with Home Minister Rajnath Singh seeking to blunt opposition onslaught by expressing readiness to table a detailed statement to show how many such incidents had taken place in which regime. The Home Minister said a deliberate attempt is made to raise incidents of alleged communal violence anywhere in the country in Parliament. National Skill Development Policy of 2009 will be revised within a couple of months. Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Rajiv Pratap Rudy informed the Lok Sabha that the government has already undertaken the skill gap mapping both geographically and sector-wise. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday chaired his second interaction through Pragati, the ICT-based multimodal platform for proactive governance and timely implementation. Prime Minister defined the role of Pragati as a means to break the silos between various government agencies that impede decision-making. He said the key objective is to find ways to speed up government processes. Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has presented a chadar on behalf of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti in Ajmer during the 803rd Urs of the Sufi saint. The minister paid obeisance in the Dargah of the 11th century saint. The annual Urs of the Sufi saint began on Monday. Ignoring caution over below normal monsoon forecast, the Sensex on Wednesday rebounded by 214 points to snap its 5-day losing run to end at 27,890 on value buying in blue chip stocks like Sun Pharma. On similar lines, the Nifty recaptured the crucial 8400 mark by gaining 51.9 points to close at 8,429.